Now, in this case, if we look at the number of significant figures, so how many significant figures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 significant figures in this case. I will say 8 significant figures. Now we have to round it. We have to round it to 7 significant figures. We have to round it to 6 significant figures. We have to round it to 5 significant figures. We have to round it to 4 significant figures. We have to round it to 3 significant figures. We have to round it to 2 significant figure, and we have to round it to 1 significant figure. So let's see one by one. We will round to required significant figure. First of all, I have to round to 7 significant figures. Keep in mind the counting of the significant figure will always start from the left side. Like this is left side. So I will say this is first significant, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So I need till this one. I don't need this. Now, the one I don't need, if it is in the decimal part and it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so you have to remove that one by adding 1 in the next one. So I will add 1 here. I will add 1 in this case. Let me write. It's 215.3.5327. Okay. I'm rounding it to 7 significant figures. So I need this, all these, because counting of significant figures will start from the left side. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need this, but I don't need this one. But before leaving it, the one I'm leaving is 7. And in case if it is 7, so obviously we will add 1 in the next one. Okay. So what I will do here, I will add 1 in this one. So it will become 2153.533. So now you can count, there are 7 significant figures. Okay, now once again writing the same one, but rounding it to 6 significant. Now this time I have to round to 6 significant figures. So counting of the significant figure will start from the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need only these. I don't need these two. Okay, sorry. I don't need these two. Now, as I don't need these two, so the very next one is 2. So it will not change anything, just remove them. It will become 2153.53. So these are 6 significant figures. Because you need till this one, and the very next number is 2, very next digit is 2. So it will not bring any change. So just write as it is. Okay, once again I'm writing the same number, and I have round this to 5 significant figures. Now counting of the significant figure will start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't need these 3. So where I'm ending, the very next digit is 3. So it will not bring any change, just write as it is. It will become 2153.5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 significant figures. Look, in this case, there are 3 decimal places, 2 decimal places, 1 decimal place. So that's why, again, repeatedly saying, don't confuse with significant figures and decimal place. They are entirely different things. Okay. Now, I have to round to 4 significant figures. 2153.5327. I want to round it to 4 significant figures. First significant, second significant, third significant, fourth significant. I don't need this, so just remove them and write 2153. 4 significant figures. Okay, removing the decimal part is really easy. You will continue in the same way. But I make a mistake here. Can anybody recommend me that mistake? I deliberately made that.
There should be 1 added
Yes, 1 should be
to
added. Why 1 should be added?
the 3.
The
It will
reason
be
for adding 1 is,
2150.
yes, the reason for adding 1 is because I want to keep till this one. So the very next digit is 5, so it will add 1 in this one. So it will make it 4. Because the rule is always accordingly. Okay, now I have to round to three significant figures. Be completely attentive. The point I want to tell you will might be confusing for you every time you will do a question. So that is why if you understand this one at this level, then there will be no problem at all even in the upper bound and lower bound. Okay. So it's 2153. Okay, I need three significant figures. Let me write the full number first. Okay, first significant, second significant, third significant. Okay, I can write it 215. But the problem is if I don't write the whole part, because this is whole part, this is decimal part. If I don't write this 3, I will be left with only 215. Okay, which will be a huge difference because when we round, actually it should not be big difference. There is, that's why we are writing approximately they are same. So in case if you are rounding to a significant figure, then in the decimal part you can remove completely, it will not affect. But if like in this case, this is the part of the whole part. Okay. So this digit I have to write as 0. The reason is if you count the significant figure 1, 2, 3, significant figure are 3, and the magnitude will also be nearly similar 2153, 2150. But if you write only 215, it will be a big problem because 215 is too smaller than 2153. So that is why in the remaining digits of the whole part must write 0. For example, I'm rounding to two significant figures. Now let me write 2153.5327. Now I have to round this to two significant figures. This is first significant, this is second significant. Okay, I don't need all these, but the problem is these two are coming in the whole part, so I can't completely leave them. I will write these two as 0 and this one is 5, so it will add 1 in this one, so it will become 2 2 and then these two zeros. So it will be, look, 1 2 significant, and these are not significant because in a whole number ending zeros are not significant. So now we have two significant figures also. Now I will round it to one significant. Till now maybe you will be confusing about you will be getting confused about this one. Don't worry, I will bring a lot of other example also. Okay, it's 2153.5327. I want to round to only one significant figure, and this is the first significant figure. This is first significant figure, so I don't need all these. But the problem is this is my whole part. I can't ignore it. These three digits of the whole part I should write 0, and I only need this digit, and the very next digit is 1, so no change. That will be one significant figure. Okay. All right. Now